Okay, so this is going to be my first time using these pine sticks for a caulking finishing tool. First thing you want to do is, sand down if you need to, prime this because this caulking will adhere way better to the primed surface. But I'm not doing too well. I feel like I got a little bit better. I tried a bunch of different angles. That's why I was going in such small sections because I was trying it like a couple of different ways, like from the top and then from the bottom and then straight down the middle. I made a mess a few times and had to go ahead and just use a wet finger to clean that up. And then I tried again in another spot, and a few of the spots were pretty good. I'm going to keep on trying this, but I think I prefer my plastic anvil cornering tools for this. But I am going to keep on trying this, and I'll definitely use this outside on my windows where that plastic caulking tool won't fit. You should give these guys huge props for being able to use this so well in their videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.